In this video, we are going to learn how to install an Ubuntu integrated terminal on Windows and how to run a SITL simulation using ArduPilot on it. Let's get started. First of all, we need to make sure that Windows Subsystem for Linux is enabled. To do that, go to Turn on Windows Features and scroll down here, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Make sure this is enabled. If it is not, then just press the check mark and press OK. After this, you head to Microsoft Store, search for Ubuntu, and start downloading. No thanks. Once done, hit launch and wait again. Okay, there we go. Enter the name and I'll ask for password shortly. Okay, let's install Python. So sudo apt install Python 3. Enter the password and wait again. Okay, now for pip, you need to first do apt update. Oh yeah, sudo. When you do sudo double exclamation mark, this means sudo the command I sent before. So we are doing sudo apt upgrade basically. Now run sudo apt install Python 3-pip. Yes. Okay, and it's done. Now we need to install ArduPilot. We can clone their GitHub repository by running this command, git clone -recurse-submodules, and their GitHub repository here. Press enter. Now we have to wait for ArduPilot to be done installing. And after it is done, you need to cd to ArduPilot directory. And now we need to install the prerequisites ArduPilot needs. So it is done through this tools/environment_install /install-prereqs-ubuntu.sh/y. We need to enter password, and after it's done, run this command. Finally, cd to ArduPlane or ArduCopter, depending on what you need to run, and run sim_vehicle.py. If you're doing it for the first time, include -w. If you are not, then don't. And that should be it. Our mission will be running, and we can view it in mission planner if we wish. Also, if you want to load like map or console or graph, you do module load graph or map or whatever you want. In some cases, it may fail saying that it can't find display, but it worked for me now. But if it failed for you, if you are using Windows 10, then you need to follow the steps to install a display on your Windows 10. But if you are using Windows 11, it has this display pre-built in. So if you are using Windows 11 and it still can't load a GUI module, then close your Ubuntu. Make sure you close your Ubuntu fully. And then open PowerShell, run as administrator, and run WSL --update. Once done, shut down your WSL machine by using WSL --shutdown and run your Ubuntu again. And your issue should be fixed. Again, if you are using Windows 10, then this isn't enough to fix your issue because you need to install a server to run graphical user interface application. One final thing, if you're trying to connect your simulation, this won't work so far. Like if I print connected, it will just be stuck there. So in order to connect, you need to go here and type output and check the support and address it is running on, copy it and paste it here. And now, without the space of course, now if you try to run it again, it will get connected. Thanks for watching.